Hello guys and welcome to another Docker series video. In today's video, we're going to be looking at how to use Ubuntu in Dockers. If you guys don't know, Ubuntu is a distribution of Linux. Basically, this is one of the Linux operating systems that you can download on your computer. Over here, all you gotta do is search up Ubuntu in Docker Hub, and you will see the official image of Ubuntu. Has over 1 billion downloads. If you click this, it's going to tell you that in order to get this image on your computer, you're going to need to use Docker pull Ubuntu. But there is a faster way to do this, and that's exactly what I'm going to be teaching you. So head over to terminal, and on terminal, we're going to use Docker pull Ubuntu. This is what they want us to use. But what we can do instead is we can use Docker run Ubuntu. And if I click this, well, we know that something happened, but nothing came on the screen, and that's an issue. Let's look at all the processes that are being run in this current moment. We use Docker, yes. As you can see, there are no processes being run. But the thing is, if you do Docker ps -a, which means tell me all the processes, even the ones that aren't being run or aren't active, then as you can see, we have Ubuntu right here. Well, in order to make this process active, you have to add a small thing when you're using the run command. When you do Docker run, you also add -it, which means interactable. And then you write Ubuntu. What this does is it runs this process of Ubuntu and it lets you interact with it as well. So if I press enter, as you can see, something happened here. Now this may look kind of confusing to you guys, but rest assured it's pretty simple. When you see this code, don't feel overwhelmed. Let me break it down for you. In the beginning, before the ampersand sign, you have the user. By default, I'm gonna be the root user of my device. After the ampersand sign, you have the name of your computer. Now, Docker already assigns a random name for our computer, so you don't have to worry about that. After the full colon, there's a slash, which tells us which location we're in. If there's nothing in front of the slash, or if there's only a backslash, that means that we're in the root area, which means we can't go any more back than this. It's the root. Anyways, here we have pound. This pound means that we have admin privileges. Whatever comes after the slash is the privilege that we have, and since we're the root user, it means that we have the root privileges or the admin privileges. Over here, I can do a lot of things. For example, I can do ls. ls, basically what it does is it prints out all the files and folders in my current directory. Another thing that we have is echo. Now echo, what it does is it just prints something on the screen. So if I say echo hello, it prints hello. You can do who am I, which gives us which user we are. But now here's where it gets interesting. If we do echo and then $0, this prints out where our location of this virtual machine is. As you can see, it says the location of this machine is in bash. Well, you guys may be confused. What is bash? Well, bash stands for Born Again Shell. Now, Stephen Bourne was the first guy to ever make a shell program. And Born Again Shell is an enhanced version of that shell. And it's called bash. And that's exactly what we're using right now. We're using bash. The last command that we're going to be learning for this section is history. History, what it does is it tells us all of the commands that we've been using recently. For example, ls. That was the first command that we used. Echo and who am I and whatever. Now, if you want to replay these commands, you can use the exclamation mark and then the number beside it. So let's say 4. It shows hash. Now, you can also use your up and down arrow, but it's not as organized. That'll be all for today's video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time.